What if I told you there's a simple drink you can make tonight? By tomorrow morning, you could already feel lighter, less bloated. And on your way to melting stubborn belly fat, even while you sleep? Millions of people struggle with belly fat that just won't go away no matter how much they diet or exercise. The truth is, the problem often isn't what you eat during the day, it's what your body is doing while you rest at night. When your metabolism slows down during sleep, your body stores more fat instead of burning it. But there's a way to change that. The secret is a natural bedtime drink made from just 3 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Each one proven to support fat burning, digestion, and deep sleep. This isn't a magic pill or a fad. It's a simple recipe backed by science and tradition. Warm water hydrates your body overnight and kickstarts your metabolism. Fresh lemon juice is packed with vitamin C and compounds that help your body break down fat more efficiently. Organic apple cider vinegar helps balance blood sugar, reduce cravings, and improve digestion while you rest. But the real trick is how and when you drink it. When you combine these 3 ingredients and drink them right before bed, they work together to flush toxins from your digestive system, trigger your body to use stored fat for energy during the night, and reduce bloating and water retention so you wake up with a flatter stomach. Apple cider vinegar helps control insulin spikes, meaning less fat storage. Lemon helps your liver process fats more efficiently. Warm water improves absorption so your body gets the full benefit before you sleep. To make it, warm 1 cup of water, not boiling. Add the juice of half a fresh lemon. Stir in 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar. Optional, add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and extra metabolism support. Drink this 15 to 20 minutes before bedtime, and do it consistently for the best results. If you stick with this nightly habit, you'll notice the first changes in just a few days. Lighter mornings, less bloating, and more energy. But here's the thing, this works even better when combined with one small morning habit that most people ignore. I'll share that in my next video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Try this drink tonight and let me know in the comments how you feel tomorrow morning. Your journey to a slimmer, healthier body can start before you even close your eyes tonight.